Hi guys, since we know a lot about equivalent fractions already, this is going to be just a short overview of how to do this worksheet, which is called Are They Equivalent? We're going to look at the two fractions that they have. In between there's an equal sign, and we're going to determine if that is true or not. Is 5/11 equal or equivalent to 25/55? If this is true, we are going to simply circle the equal sign. If it is not true, we're going to put an X through it, just like that. In order to figure this out, the first thing we need to remember is what makes an equivalent fraction. Well, an equivalent fraction is when you take a fraction and you multiply that fraction's numerator and denominator by the same number, which is what we've done in the past. But right now, since they already have a fraction that they say is equal to 5/11, we aren't doing that part today. We're not making an equivalent fraction. We're figuring out if this fraction that they have is actually equal. So the way to do this is just test it and say to yourself, 5 times a number equals 25. Well, if you know your facts, or if you count by fives, you know that 5 times 5 will give you that 25. Whatever we do to the top, we must do to the bottom. And if this 11 times 5 equals 55, we know that 5/11 will be equal to 25/55. All right, so use your calculator or your multiplication chart. 11 times 5 is 55. So that tells me that 5/11 is actually equal to 25/55, just like they said. That means I'm going to take my marker and circle the equal sign. Okay, we're going to do one more. We are going to take a look at this one. Okay, so we have 4/6 is equal to 20/18. So we'll check it and see. 4 times a number equals 20. Remember, if you can't figure out or don't know your facts, you could always do the opposite. You can do 20 divided by 4. 20 divided by 4 on your calculator will be 5. So we know that missing number is 5. 4 times 5 equals 20. Whatever you do to the top, you must do to the bottom. 6 times 5 is 30, not 18. So this fraction, 20/18, is not equal to 4/6. So 4/6 is not equal to 20/18. So now you have 2 done for you. Complete the rest of the worksheet and then you can turn it in.